Today we will see here use of id command and how to showing string northing coordinates in AutoCAD using by the LISP file. This is also very important and useful for the engineering, drafting and designing in AutoCAD. Let's start with the id command. This is the one example drawing I have here draw in the AutoCAD. This is suppose a foundation, equipment foundation drawing. For example, you can see here this is a foundation plan drawing I draw in AutoCAD. You can see this is the octagonal foundation with the circle anchor bolts. This is the anchor bolts with the circle and the equipment foundation. So we have to identify the center coordinates east and northing. How will find using by the id command? Let's apply id command. Here I'm going to apply shortcut command id, enter, press enter. Here you can see new message, specify the point. So we'll specify the point which one we require. Now we need this foundation center mark, center point of the coordinate. So just click the center coordinate, center point of the foundation, right? Okay, I'm going to click here. So you can see intersection point. You click, just click here. Alright, so you can see east and northing, x and y value. Okay, this is the very simple. Just click where you want to get the coordinate of the points id. Just click again. I repeat the id command, id, enter. Okay, specify point. Just I need this corner point. Just click here. Oh, see, you can see x and y, right? Okay, again I repeat the command. See, again we need to this corner coordinates easting and northing. Just click here. See, you can see x and y, x 1919.610 and y equal to 2278.900, right? This is the coordinate of this point. It is very easy and useful command, also one of the AutoCAD basic command. Okay, this id command also very useful for the short. Quickly we can get the coordinate of the point. So similarly we use the LISP command to identify and to get the coordinate of the point. How will display the coordinate of the point id? Let's see. So next we will see how we'll display the coordinates in AutoCAD drawing using by the LISP file. Here I'm going to load the LISP file. Load application, just shortcut command EAP, enter. Okay, new open the dialog box. So we select the our required LISP file. Here we need to copy cop file. So select the cop and then load. Yeah, okay, load once and close. Okay, then activate the command. So cop command for the apply the command cop for the activate of this LISP file. Cop, press enter. Okay, so there you can see new message, AutoCAD message. Okay, just here click OK. Then here you can see the new message. Click the point. Just click the point. Which point id we need to get the coordinates. Just click. Example, I need this corner points coordinate. Just click here. Click and then just your mouse bring the sum out of this drawing. Here I am doing this way. Just click again here. Right? Wow, very nice. You can see, right? String and northing. See, string value 1919.610 and north 2278.900, right? If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Bring you some like the more interesting and fantastic videos. So that please don't wait to subscribe. Now please subscribe and turn on the bell icon for all notification. Thank you. Similarly, we can get this all corner points coordinates. Continue again, just press enter and the next corner, right? Just click. Wow, continue, same like we continue, we can get the all points coordinates. It is a very simple and a very interesting and useful command, and you LISP file. See, we can get very easily all corner coordinates to displaying in the drawing, right? So then just we can print this code drawing. It's very nice, right? Wow, see how nice. Just we print and bring the site and layout, setting out whatever we can use, okay. This is the very interesting and important for the, especially for the land surveyor, using by the coordinates. Okay, this is very interesting. So yeah, we will see next step. This is also very important about the ordinate command. What is the ordinate command? Ordinate command means if we need this foundation center line coordinate, if you want to show easting and northing, then we will use the ordinate command. Let's see. This is the home tab. Click here and then go to this one. See linear dimension. Just click here. You can see so many linear, align, angular, arc, so many. Yeah, so just click here this ordinate. Click here. Then here you can see new message. Specify feature location. So means now we need the center coordinate of this foundation. So we'll specify the center location. Okay, so means just click here. Okay, then if we need this first string, this will be string, just click here. Okay, this is string. I will increase the text height. Okay, yeah, we can see this is the text height increasing. I will increase more text height. I will give here 1.5. okay, and this is I will setting some here. Okay, yeah, I'll change the color also. I will give you a red color. Okay, see what nice. This we can edit. This is the string. Okay, string equal to 1917.5, right? So same like again go to here home tab and then click here. Then you can see ordinate. Click here. Then just again click the center and go to the north way. Wow, see, just click like this. Wow, very nice, simple. And again I will this match properties, ma enter this, click here and click here, right? Wow, nice. Yeah, so we can edit this. Just type here north n equal to, okay, see north, see north equal to 2273.800 and string 1917.500, right? We will check with the curve command. See same equal or not. Right, okay, I will change the text height. It's very big. Okay, just 1.5. Oh, it's big. Okay, I'll make one number, only one. Okay, see, yeah, I'll change this color. Okay, see, string 1917.500, 1917.500, correct? North 2273.800, 2273.800, right? So we have the so many method to get and identify the coordinates. Okay, it is a very fantastic method. So okay, please try to learn the so many method to get the coordinate. Okay, just I am trying to share with you what I am learning here. Okay, thank you very much for your time to watch this. See you in next video. Okay, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for all notification. I'll bring you some like the more interesting and fantastic videos, so that please don't wait to subscribe now. Please subscribe and turn on the bell icon for all notification. Thank you.